Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to check your insurance status with your Emirates ID, then this video is for you. It could be your medical insurance. So here you should follow these steps. First, you have to get the Emirates ID. So getting an Emirates ID is the first step to obtaining health insurance in the United Arab Emirates. It's a vital document that connects your health insurance coverage and serves as an official means of identification. Once you have the ID and your policy, you can easily link Emirates ID to health insurance by sending the required information to your medical insurance provider. Now you have to log in. So log in where? Log into UAE official portal. So check medical insurance status in UAE is simple when your Emirates ID and the insurance policy are properly synced. Several providers enhance accessibility by allowing users to log in through their online platform or app, making it easier than ever to view all relevant insurance details. Now here is the documentation part. Sharing accurate Emirates ID information, including your identification number, become essential when performing a medical insurance check. To reveal your health insurance status, just enter your Emirates ID number into the designated section on your provider's website or the mobile app. This gives access to coverage and perks, a detailed overview of your insurance coverage, including what treatments and service are included, and healthcare providers like instant access to a network of hospitals and medical centers that accept your insurance. Now here is important insurance details for you. You will always receive key information like the insurance name, policy type, and valid period for your peace of mind and financial security during unexpected medical emergencies. This information must be accurate and up to date. Using your Emirates ID for medical insurance check is a quick and effective way to verify your health benefits. So by following this step, you can ensure that your health insurance in UAE is active, reliable, and sufficient. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.